for your mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so. Na breaking news eba sisia say Nana Appiah Mensah ya arrested no. Breaking news eba sisia and say Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. It's here for breaking news right now. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. Mr. I'm sending a better as on click notification bell on the so na subscribe. Yes, I pepe my subscribe now click notification bell on the so my breaking news coming in right now. Mr. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. Now he has been arrested in Dubai. So say Nana Appiah Mensah with Dubai. This is our court to it upon Dubai Air Trendy ewo number 1. It's here for Dubai Air Trendy ewo number 1. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested in Dubai. It's here for breaking news right now. Breaking news right now. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested in Dubai. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested in Dubai. Breaking news. Now, Oshe Nsema Ghana for Aircan. Oshe Nsema Ghana for Aircan. Oko a year Twitter sisia album se nkrofoni age Japan say yache Nana Appiah Mensah. Now the interesting thing is Nana Appiah Mensah arrest na yache no Dubai no. Enye Ghana nsem we kra na ma yache no. Na okodupi obi ewo Dubai ho. Ena ne ba ko na ma yache no. Etie for okodupi obi ewo Dubai ho. Ena ne ba ko no ama yache no. Inti breaking news eba sisia Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested in Dubai. It's here for breaking news. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested in Dubai. Na City News, City FM4 and I report here assembly. I'm gonna say Nana Appiah Mensah, the CEO of gold dealership company Men's Gold, has been arrested. He was arrested in Dubai on Saturday. It's here for his arrest, according to City News sources, does not have anything to do with the scandal in Ghana, in which his company, believed to be a Ponzi scheme, is unable to pay back thousands of customers their investments. Naturally, say the arrest ne kra no emfa eye Ghana nsem ne ho. The arrest emfa Ghana nsem ne ho. Na eye ade bi okoye wo Dubai ho na ma yakoche no. Ne ye chi ne wie ne hu say se wo kra no you are being wanted in Ghana. Now, the arrest, which was first reported by the Statesman's newspaper online, is believed to be the result of a complaint filed by an individual in that country who claims to have been duped by Nana Appiah Mensah. It's here for just arrest ne cry ne Ghana in sensem no na ma ya arrest no. Na yes, citizen of Dubai no osusu say ana citizen of Dubai say Nana Appiah Mensah aye no bukata. Yes, citizen of Dubai be say Nana Appiah Mensah aye no bukata. Na sa citizen no wama sebe yache Nana Appiah Mensah. It's for that's the breaking news. Now, according to the report, the Dubai dealer, a national of the United Arab Emirates, reported that his company, Horizon Royal Diamonds (DMCC), had attempted to close a deal with Nana Appiah Mensah involving 750 kilos of gold with a value of about $51 million. It's here for Osha any small money. Naturally say nipakona oma ya chi Nana Appiah Mensah no oyobi a ofri eye Dubai ho. Na nipa no ne company ne friend of Horizon Royal Diamonds. Na no ne Nana Appiah Mensah eye business auto 750 kilos of gold every Nana Appiah Mensah ho, which amounts to $51 million. It's here for which amounts to $51 million. But Nana Appiah Mensah is said to be issuing a countersuit alleging that Horizon Royal Diamonds rather owns Men's Gold $28 million. Not to say Nana Appiah Mensah we nature no or no the same no air cockot say ye Dubai ni no or no mu at the no Nana Appiah Mensah car $28 billion. It's here for that's the issue now. Nana Appiah Mensah, breaking news, has been arrested in Dubai. He has been arrested in Dubai. Now back in Ghana, Nana Appiah Mensah has been declared wanted over his company's inability to pay investors their monies, and an arrest warrant has been secured to have him brought before the law for defrauding by false pretense. Now yeni Nana Appiah Mensah there air course between ono and a year CID. Now the CID of Ghana has also indicated that it has sent notices to all 194 member states of Interpol to get him arrested wherever he would be found. Not just a CID, almost say information Interpol say so much Nana Appiah Mensah. He was recently reported to be in South Africa and Nigeria. According to the Statesman's newspaper, officials of Ghana's embassy in the UAE have also been able to visit Nana Appiah Mensah in detention. The contact became possible once Interpol issued an alert. It's here for not just a Ghana ambassador to United Arab of Emirates. No, I'm going to say no to me akọ bibia ya chi Nana Appiah Mensah no muko say ampa Nana Appiah Mensah ya chi na to prison. Na isusu say omo mani ndwale. And for that's the story now. From the Ghana's ambassador to Dubai, or the United Arab Emirates, we can confirm Nana Appiah Mensah yachino. We can confirm Nana Appiah Mensah yachina chese or that prison. Officials of Euroko in Ghana are also said to have made contact with Nam1, who is currently being held in police custody. Not just Euroko kra any Nana Appiah Mensah no akasa. Not just say yes. Yes. Internet for that's the breaking news. To cut Twitter pan. Nana Appiah Mensah or trendy gidi any Dubai. O cut Twitter Nana Appiah Mensah ni Dubai trendy gidi. Trendy gidi. Obi say apparently he go dupe someone for Dubai with then arrest him. It isn't even because of men's good wahala. Acquire guy. It's here for And then I say Obi say Nam1 Nana Appiah Mensah men's good apparently arrested in Dubai over a completely different matter. They will say that he can't be extradited to Ghana and will be imprisoned in Dubai. Sometimes the cover up is worse than the actual crime. Obi so na dwen ba says see ade aye no. Just Dubai for no na de ne betum wo ho na yen arresting na wo Ghana ha say. It's for Oshemu the pakono nso na asem no ewom say yes Dubai for beka say hon odi boni no won tie hon be chi na atum na tre say Nana Appiah Mensah no mba Ghana e ma yen chi ni ntum obviously they just broke the news of Nana Appiah Mensah's arrest in Dubai on City TV's live talk show press conference. The arrest has nothing to do with men's good. According to their sources, apparently someone in Dubai made a complaint about being duped by him, hence the arrest. It's here for now obviously so Nam1 no get anywhere go apart from Dubai. Not just saying go to say Nam1 was South Africa said no. Say Dubai na okotetewo. Say Dubai na Nana Appiah Mensah ko share and here for breaking news. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested. We say I have this feeling this whole Nam1 being caught in Dubai be some strategy to protect Oboy. He wasn't arrested because of the men's goal soccer, but rather because he frauded someone. They will say that he can't be repatriated to Ghana and will be detained in Dubai. The team be key. Okay, Nkofo Kasa. Gafo Kasa. For breaking news about Nana Appiah Mensah has been arrested in Dubai. Yes, that's the breaking news now.